In this video, we'll explore how you can utilize Chat GPT to enhance your virtual book club discussions. So, let's get started. With Chat GPT, you can take your virtual book club to a whole new level. This powerful AI technology can generate human-like responses to your questions and comments, making your discussions more engaging and thought-provoking. To begin, gather your book club members in a chat platform where Chat GPT is integrated. This could be a popular messaging app or a dedicated platform. Create a group chat and invite your members. Once the chat is set up, you can start discussing the book. Simply type your comments, questions, or thoughts, and Chat GPT will generate responses in real time. It's like having a fellow bookworm always ready to share their insights. Plus, Chat GPT is an excellent tool for breaking the ice and encouraging members to participate. If someone feels hesitant to speak up, they can easily type their comments, and Chat GPT will respond, creating a comfortable and inclusive environment for everyone. But that's not all. Chat GPT can also help you discover new perspectives and discuss different interpretations. Its ability to provide diverse responses enables your virtual book club to delve deeper into the literary themes and characters, fostering lively and enriching conversations. Moreover, Chat GPT is an incredible resource for book recommendations. Need suggestions for your next reading? Just ask Chat GPT, and it'll provide you with a list of books similar to the one you just finished. By using Chat GPT for your virtual book club, you're revolutionizing the way you engage with literature. It enhances your discussions, encourages participation, and expands your literary horizons. So, why wait? Start incorporating Chat GPT into your book club today. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.